now that the top is working, we're gonna go ahead and start working on getting all these trim pieces put on here, all the little screws and nuts. Trim pieces put in trunk here. And I need to wind this up. I'll probably make a little short video on how that works. Alright, so I figured out how the way to wind this back up. You actually take, this is the left side piece off, and you see it's already wound off. And there's just like a little clip or something right here. You can pop this whole plastic piece out. And what I did, I went ahead and just took this piece on the roller and just wound it up and then stuck it back on there. And now it's got the tension that it needs. So that will be the correct way to get it working again. Gotcha. 1, 2, 3. Why are you sitting up like that? No, you don't. Oh, you go. Yeah, you're going the right way, right? Oh, look at there. Close it. Keep going. You gotta close all the way. There you go. Keep going. Keep going till the windows come up. The windows gotta come up right here. It's got a lock. Keep going. All right, there you go. Stop. That's it.
Oh, it's cool.
So I got my Star Diagnostics laptop, and I got the USB cable. I'm waiting on the actual 38-pin C3 multiplexer to come in. So we're gonna head and open this up. Here it is, a Dell laptop. You see, open up this way. The power on. Oh, look at that. Came all the way from the UK, man. Ooh, at least it's not in German, huh? Yeah, Windows XP, wow, that's high-tech stuff here. Look at that, Mercedes Benz. Oh man, I'll hook up the wireless network, but it's got the Sentry software on here. I don't know how this works yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'll let you know. So at this point, I'm gonna start just putting the trim on the interior and the trunk back together, because I'm waiting on the actual C3 multiplexer so I can connect the actual laptop to the car and start writing the VIN number back to this SRS module. So it might take another week or so because it's coming from like China or something. I don't know, it may take 2 weeks. So I think we just pick something else. I gotta work on getting this seat trim. You know, this needs to be put back in place and everything needs a good cleaning, so I think I'll work on that. But I started getting all this trim put back together here, all these little screws and stuff. And got the trunk looking pretty good. This is looking almost factory, so it's looking really good. Even though I'm gonna have to tear it back apart because there's some screws on the actual shield for the gas tank that need to be installed, so that's going to have to be done.